Hi guys, so today's video, I'm so excited to be filming. Today's video is going to be a jewelry unboxing of 24 karat gold. I am a lover of makeup, as you guys know. I'm a lover of hair and fake hair and shoes and clothes, and accessories are like the bow on top of all of that. It brings it all together. So I really love jewelry. I love earrings and rings. Rings, to me, I enjoy wearing the most because you guys can see it when I'm doing my makeup and stuff. I don't have a lot of rings. That's because you can't buy a cheap ring because it will make your finger turn green and all of that. So I only have one nice ring, and today's video I'm going to be unboxing a ring I have selected. Today I am unboxing this gorgeous little blue box with a cute little bow on it. I have been holding on to this for 2 whole days, 48 entire hours. I've been wanting to rip into this baby, but I waited until I could film for you guys. As you can see, they have so carefully tied this adorable little bow on this perfect little package. So today's package is from Monet. If you guys don't know who Monet is, they craft 24 karat gold and platinum jewelry. They have rings, they have earrings, bracelets, really gorgeous cuffs. I'll show you guys all different pictures on the screen right now. I could absolutely spend a year's salary on that website in no time. What makes them different is that they do more of investment jewelry. It's transparently sold by the gram weight. You will see all the gram weight prices on the website. So for someone like me who has no idea what jewelry is worth, when I see that price there, I'm like, oh my goodness, like that makes sense as to why this ring is more costly. But I'll talk more about Monet after I rip into this package. I literally am like peeing my pants to see. I know what I picked, but I haven't actually seen it in person yet, so excited. I'm so excited. I'm a self-confessed cheap jewelry wearer. Not, obviously not by choice. I just don't have the money to like buy jewelry like crazy. I'm 26 years old, so I've always kind of felt like nice jewelry will come with age. I'm not married yet, so I really don't have much really nice jewelry, but I'm always looking at other women's hands and their necklaces, and I'm always a little jealous. But like I said, I always think that those things will come with age. I'm so thankful to Monet for sending me this, and I'm probably going to cry. So I'm going to take the bow off. Okay, so there is the logo. So we have a little satchel. It's got like a velvet touch to it. I can feel my ring. It actually feels really heavy. How do I get it open? Ah! Oh my goodness. I feel like I just like married myself. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this is on my finger at this moment. It's so nice. I can't believe that this is on my finger. I've never had something so nice. I feel so spoiled and so proud of this hand right now. I do marry you, ring. Suddenly everything in my life feels so cheap. I can actually see my reflection in this gorgeous ring. So I picked the emerald cut ring, and I picked it in polish. It also comes in brushed gold. Both are really pretty. I really love the polished look. It says the emerald cut ring embodies the shape of a timeless emerald crafted from solid 24 karat gold. I don't know why I went all Robert De Niro there, but this ring is as beautiful as it is dramatic, and that is for sure. This is so pretty. I'm amazed. So I got it in a size 7. That's the size that I am. Are you guys ready for this? The gold value of this is $553.53. It has a weight of 13.12 grams. Ugh, I don't deserve it. I'm not worthy. I don't know if I'm ever going to, like, I feel like I need to get like a locked case like they have in like the jewelry places so I don't get robbed. I don't know a lot about gold. I know pretty when I see pretty. This is gorgeous, but this is 24 karat solid gold. It is very heavy. Alex is going to feel like he can never outdo this ring for our wedding. Be right back. I'm just going to go throw away every other ring that I own. So I'm not sure I could really show you guys how pretty this ring is just like with this filming setup. So I'm going to be putting like a video over with just super close up, which I'm going to go film now. And I'm going to talk to you guys a lot more things that I learned from the website. Like I said, I'm not someone who has a lot of gold, so I don't know a lot about gold, but you can learn a lot from this website.
So what I've learned about the gold industry and what makes Monet so special are a few things. So the most common jewelry that is marketed and sold nowadays is 14 and 18 karat man-made chemical alloys. So it's only about 58 to 75% pure gold. So the problems with this is that it tarnishes over time. It's nice and light, but it can break. Monet makes their jewelry from pure 24 karat gold or platinum found in nature. It will never tarnish. It's hypoallergenic. Although pure gold is more soft and malleable than man-made metals, gold is indestructible and it will never break. But the main thing that I've learned from Monet is quality. So I'm now going through all my other jewelry that is man-made chemical alloy, and it's like you can't really describe the difference in quality. It's just something that you can see and feel for yourself, and is exactly why I'm going to treasure this ring for always.
Thank you so much to Monet for sending this to me. Like I said, I am not worthy, but this is something that I think I'm going to keep in my family for as long as possible. This is something like this gold right here that I could pass down to my kids and my kids' kids, and I just think that is so much bigger than just filming this video. I'm amazed that I own this because, like I said, this came from like some cheap jewelry place and I paid 80 bucks for it and felt like it was a leg, you know what I mean? So I appreciate this probably more than a lot of other women do just because I don't have anything that compares to the value of this. I'm so amazed that they decided to work with me. Thank you guys so much, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video.